Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redirect a Google Godaddy domain to another website. Whether you are moving your site or rebranding or just need to forward visitor to a different URL. This tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Godaddy allows you to forward your domain to any other website of your choice. This is very helpful when you have a multiple domains and want them all to point to a single destination. Instead of manually setting up a hosting website or website files, you can use GoDaddy built-in domain forwarding features. For that, you have to log in first into GoDaddy's website. From there, after sign upping in GoDaddy, you can see here your profile. Go to my products, and after clicking on my products, scroll down and go to domain manager. Click on that, and here you will get to see your domain you have registered. Right now I don't have any domain, so I will give you the steps so you can follow that steps, and you can redirect your domain to another website. You can follow these steps to redirect your domain to another website. First of all, you have to uh, set up a forwarding. In the domain setting, look for the forwarding section. Click on add forwarding or edit if you already have on one setup. Choose forward to end, enter the destination URL where you want to visitor to be redirected. Now you have to select 301 permanent redirect. If you plan to keep this redirection long term, leave leave forward with the masking unchecked unless you want to hide the destination URL. The fourth step, you have to save and apply changes. Click on the next and then finish to apply the changes. It may take a few minutes for the forwarding to take effect. Now you have to check your domain forwarding. Open a new tab and enter your domain. If it hasn't updated yet, wait a couple of minutes and try again. And remove conflicting DNS records. If needed, go back to your domain setting and click on Manage DNS. Delete any CNAME or A records that might interface with forwarding. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain should now be successfully redirected to your desired website. Thanks for watching.